Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. How are you all? And in today's video we are going to review this NYBAE Conceal and Conquer concealer. Now if you remember, if you are the OG on this channel, you remember I did the very first NYBAE concealer ka review. That is the first time I tried NYBAE, and NYBAE and me, we have come a long way. I think trying a new concealer from NYBAE is extremely important for this channel and for me. Okay, so without wasting any time, let's get into the video. Let's see what's the deal with this Conceal and Conquer. Let's go. And before jumping in, subscribe. Okay, please subscribe. So I have already done the foundation and the base spray looks very glowy, okay? And let me tell you, this is because I tried this Illuminati base from Mars. Well, and oh, I am illuminating for sure. I think, wow. Okay, coming to this concealer. So this is NYBAE Conceal and Conquer concealer, and this one is in the shade 3 Cashew. When I got the very first concealer from NYBAE, which by the way, if you haven't seen the video, I'll just link it as well, because that video, yeah, it is pretty popular on my channel, right? So I got that one in shade number 3 as well, but that shade number 3 was milk and white chocolate, something like that, right? So this is how it looks, and I am hoping it matches me, right? I have only done a little bit of color correction under my eyes using a concealer, and this is the second concealer that would be going on my eyes. I should have tried without the foundation actually. Anyways, let's just move in. Let's see how it works. Okay. Okay, this color is, I think, a little too dark for me. Yes, I think this concealer would be good beneath the foundation, right? The color, because it's a little darker, but it will really help me cancel out all the darkness under my eyes. I'm going to take it liberally because I have a little bit darkness under my eyes, and that here and here does not work for me, right? And let's take it a little bit over here as well. Right here. Okay, I just feel like it's a little too dark. Yeah, it looks dark. It is dark. Okay, so let's see what it says. It says it is full coverage, it is waterproof, it's dewy effect, quick dry formula, and lightweight. Full coverage, we shall see. Waterproof, we shall see again. Dewy effect, yeah, we shall see. Quick dry formula. Oh shit, I think let's just blend this one. Okay. 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 Okay, wait. After blending, I can surely say the color is not bad. I think the color is just fine. Let me just take a closer look. The color is not bad, right? Take a little bit over the nose and over the forehead as well. I forgot that completely, right? Let's blend this one out. And no, I am not sure about the dewy effect thing, because I don't see any dewiness whatsoever. I think this is just like a simple concealer, no dewy effect thing for me, for sure. Okay, now moment of truth. Let's see the coverage over here. This is very similar to my skin tone, which makes it very similar to the tone that I have in the PAC Take Cover concealer, and that concealer is my fave. So if this can work, I think it has potential. Okay. Okay. Oh, number one, I don't think it is full coverage because I can still see a little bit of darkness poking, you know, and this time it's not, and the color is correct, right? The shade is perfectly fine for me, but I still see a little bit of darkness over here, which, you know, camera is not picking up, but in real life I can see it like a little bit, tiny bit over there. So I can say it can be almost full coverage. Yeah, I think it is, because it did cover up a lot. Yeah, I like this one. Now clearly it is not a matte concealer. It is not, you know, giving me that very matte dry under the eye effect, right? let's take the... Now this shade is for sure a little darker than my foundation ka shade, so I'm having a little trouble over here. But I think taking another concealer which is a little bit lighter, giving a highlighting effect to my face would be just fine. Okay. Yeah, I mean, it is not cakey. It does have a slightly dewy effect, right? It surely does. Like, it's not a matte concealer for sure, right? But is it like super dewy to give you that very dewy thing? Sort of. I think it is. Okay, it is, right? I think I should go and complete my makeup, and then let's see the final verdict for this concealer. Okay, I'll be back. Okay, so for the final verdict on this concealer, I really love this under eye situation. Like, my base makeup today is mwah, like, yeah. First of all, the color match is intense. Number 3 for my skin tone is perfect, which is mind-blowing. Like, I can barely find the shades that match me, so this is good. Okay, this is good. Number 2, I think I don't have anything bad to say about this concealer. I think everything is just bang on best. This can be my new favorite concealer. Like, I'm going to finish up my pack, take our concealer, and this can be the next thing for me. So I think that speaks volume about a product if I say it's going to be my favorite now. So yeah, I think that's it for today's video. And yeah, please hit the like button. Of course, if you want to check out the blush review and you know, everything else from NYBAE, I will link the videos in the description box as well, so you do check that out as well. Okay, so yeah, hit the like button, subscribe to my channel if you haven't already, and I'll meet you in the next video, guys. Bye.